Hello viewers, I am your Harsha. Welcome to our YouTube channel Tech Mahe. So in the series of interview experiences, and this is another video. She is my friend Sanjana. I usually call her as Akka. So I invited her to share her experiences regarding TCS interview, or how she prepared for the drive and all. So let's listen to her. So that's it. So hi Sanjana.
Hello, Harsha.
Hi. Firstly, I don't ask you how you are because I know how you are. I know it. So I don't ask you how are you. Okay,
Yeah.
so let's start the video.
Yeah.
Firstly, you got placed in CTS and TCS, right?
Yes, yes.
So regarding CTS, we have different questions like how the exam pattern is, how the exam will be conducted, the interview pattern and all. So I want you to share something about the exam pattern and the interview tapes likewise. So firstly, I mean, you prepared well for the CTS job, so you
Yes,
cracked it.
yes.
So how was the preparation went on?
So the preparation for any job interview will be the generic one. Firstly, we should be very strong in aptitude, reasoning, and English.
Yes.
Automata fix is an additional thing in Cognizant. In any other interviews, you cannot find automata fix, and
Mm.
even if you find, that is not a mandatory thing. But for Cognizant, that is mandatory, and you should be very thorough with automata fix too. And yeah, as you know, English is another main thing. As you know, the AMCAT pattern, uh, each correct question you answer, the difficulty level keeps on increasing. So that is the
Mm.
main thing for Cognizant. The total pattern is the AMCAT pattern. You'll find comprehension passages and synonyms, antonyms, etc. And the reasoning, as you know, all the aptitude and reasoning part, you should be very thorough. And it is very easy to crack the Cognizant written exam basically. You can write it from home, and there will be video monitoring too, so you cannot cheat in that exam basically. And
Okay.
if you are caught cheating, you will be disqualified right when you enter the interview panel. So they'll be checking all the images there, and you'll be disqualified right away.
Okay.
And once you qualify it, you will be intimated through mail for the interview, and it will be probably in your campus itself or in any other campus based on the college ranking basically.
Okay. Okay.
So for the interview, it basically depends on the panel. Some panels it will be very simple and very easy, and some panels it will be very difficult. So my
Okay.
experience was I was into not so simple panel, so it was a bit difficult for me. What all subjects I have been asked on are the subjects from first year till the year which you are studying now. So
Okay.
right from physics to operating systems, networking, database management systems, each and
Okay.
everything you must be very thorough. You may be asked to write programs on stacks, queues, and everything. You cannot leave any single thing. Whereas for the TCS, it was quite easy. They did not ask many questions, but coming to Cognizant, it was a bit tougher. So you
Hmm.
cannot take any chances, and you should be very thorough with each and every topic you prepare. Even if you're not so confident, you should just let the interviewer know that. Basically, what the interviewer looks in you is one good reason to hire you. So
Yes.
whatever you're not so strong, that is not important. It is important what you are strong in. So you
Okay.
just focus on that. Anything you're strong in, just be confident about that. What you're not strong in, you can just leave that. You can let the interviewer know that you're not comfortable with that topic. That is not an issue. And
Okay.
this was my technical part, and the HR part, it was quite easy. It was very smooth going.
Mm-hmm.
Mhm. Yeah.
So what you have told was the exam pattern will be same for commonly asked. I
Yes.
mean, same for the all drives. So
Yes.
the same aptitude and the same MCQs will be there, right?
MCQs. Yeah.
Yeah, MCQs along with automata.
Yeah.
So the exam pattern will be you can take the exam wherever you want. You can take
Yes.
it from
You can.
home,
Yeah.
but it would be video monitoring.
Yeah. Exactly.
So after clearing the exam, you will be asked to relocate, or you can take it in your college itself. It based on the
Yeah.
college ranking. So okay, so could you share any few questions from TR round? Whatever you
Yeah.
can.
TR round. I've been asked to write a program for stack operations, that is push and pop. I've been asked to write an algorithm first, and then the same program in Java. And I've been asked to write Java programs for few patterns actually. Even if you know different languages, you'll be asked mostly on Java itself, because Python is relatively easy than Java. So the interview will be testing you on Java itself. And yeah, operating systems. What are the main definitions? What are the different algorithms? And what are types of networks and types of topologies? DBMS. What is primary key? What is secondary key? As you all know, that basic things, and some queries to identify what is what. All the basic ones have been asked. Yeah, these are some questions have been asked.
Okay. So you are an IT student, right?
Yes, I'm an IT student.
So do you find any difference between the questions that TR will ask for an IT student or non, I mean, CSE background student and
Yes,
non-CSE?
there'll be certainly a difference, because CSE and IT students will have much more grip on the subject, so they'll be
Yes.
much deeper. And for non-CS students, it will not be so tough. Only the basic things will be asked, like what is the structure of a program and what are the important things to remember in the program. And all these basic things will be asked, not much deeper. Like these tags and queues will never be touched, if I'm not wrong.
Yes. So for the interview, is there any mandatory documents that we should carry on?
Yes, yes, there are set of documents. All the mark sheets are mandatory, and if you're taking online copies with you, just you need to get them attested by your principal. It is
Uh,
mandatory. And if you have a passport, that is well and good. If you don't have, at least the acknowledgement is needed.
okay.
And Aadhaar card and all the remaining documents like 10th Xerox
Yeah.
copy and intermemo Xerox copy, all those. But the main important thing is that you should have all your mark sheets with you. That is very important. If you are not having any mark sheet, you will be disqualified from the interview. You cannot attend the interview.
Oh. So if you are failed to carry any of those documents, you will be simply
You will be
rejected.
sent away.
Oh, okay. So after attending the interview, will they tell the results spontaneously or after a few days? After a few days.
The results will be shared. I did my interview in around September, and I got my results in November actually. So it is a pretty
Oh,
long time. But for the phase two students of Cognizant, the results were announced much quicker than our round. It was
okay.
around like 15 to 20 days.
So I think for the students who got rejected in the TR or HR, they are given another chance to appear for the interview.
Yes, yes, they have given.
Yes. So that is the main flexibility in CTS, right?
Yes. But what I have known through my friends is in the second phase of Cognizant, this recruitments, they have also included a group discussion round, which was not mentioned
Uh,
in the exam pattern before, but on the spot they have intimated that there will be a group discussion. So
okay.
there might be chances that you might be asked something else which you have not prepared. So you should be ready for all those things too.
Yes. So could you share any tips to crack the interview, mainly particularly for CTS?
Yes, yes. First thing, you should be very confident, and you should be assertive in what you speak. Being assertive is different from being arrogant. So you should be assertive. You should be very presentable. You should, you know what is presentable, right? You should wear formals and all. That is very important. And the second thing is, you should not let the interviewer know that you are nervous. Whatever you say, just you need to say it with confidence. That is the key for any interview. And cognizant specific is that you should not panic, because uh,
Yeah.
the interviewers in TCS are much more liberal than Cognizant. In Cognizant, the interviewing process will be very strict. So you cannot take any chances in that. They'll be asking about your academics too. Why the academics have fallen from 10th to BTech. That is very common, because in 10th we might be studying a bit harder. So that will be the most obvious question asked, and you should have a good and genuine reason with you, like what the problem is. And if you have any backlog cleared once too, they'll be asking like what is the reason for the backlog previously and how have you cleared that. That is
Oh,
one main thing that is asked. These are cognizant specific things.
oh. So there are too many questions they're gonna ask you. They're gonna verify all the images in the exam while
Yeah.
you are writing the exam.
Yes.
So they're gonna ask you regarding your academics and many more things.
And the interviewer will the first thing interviewer does is he'll or she'll try to panic you, but you shouldn't lose your confidence in that. Because for me, the interviewer had asked me like, why am I so different from the passport size photo and in real? So that was
Oh,
the first thing. As soon as I entered, that is the first question I've encountered, and that really made me shiver. But okay, I managed to not lose that confidence, and I did pretty well after that too.
okay. So that's it. Anything else you want to share with the viewers?
No, but you see, there are three levels of questions for any interview. That is, the first level is very basic questions, like theoretical questions.
Oh,
Whatever you have learned in all these years of your study, those things will be asked. Like, what are the basic programs in like arrays, matrices, all these things. And the
okay.
second level areas will be a bit deeper. That is, operating systems, DBMS will come there. In the level
Okay.
3 areas, they are much more different than this. The software life cycles might be asked. So you should be prepared for each and every level. You just cannot take any chances in these levels, because one panel might be very simple, but one might be very tough, because
Yes.
you
True.
cannot guess what the interviewer might ask. So that is one major thing.
Okay. So yeah, I think we are done with the video. Okay,
Oh,
thanks for sparing your time. Thank you,
thank you.
Sanjana.
Thank you. Pleasure having you.
Okay, bye.